Dolphin Bay, A Disturbing Beach Day is a VR experience that our team designed to give the user a chance to experience the day as a marine conservationist. The user will be able to see what's happening to the beach environment and the marine wildlife in relation to littering and pollution in this experience. Our marine conservationist, MC, receives a text message from a senior coworker called Dave asking him to take over a shift on a beach called Dolphin Bay. MC accepts and arrives at Dolphin Bay shortly after. Although it is a beautiful beach, Dolphin Bay is heavily polluted. All kinds of garbage can be seen everywhere on the beach, and the pollution also caused the death of several dolphins that were washed up on shore. While cleaning up the beach, MC sees an alive dolphin that is stranded. The poor creature cries helplessly while choking on a white plastic bag. MC asks Dave for instruction. He gently pulls the plastic bag out of the dolphin's mouth and pushes the dolphin back into the ocean. The dolphin swims away and jumps out of the water happily, as if it's saying thank you. After the rescue of the dolphin, MC has the option to stay and continue cleaning up the beach or leave the beach right away. The goal of this project is to help our users realize the seriousness and terrible consequences of pollution and bring positive transformation to them. We expect the users to feel annoyed by the amount of garbage on the beach and how difficult it is to clean it up. They should feel sad when discovering the dead dolphins and joy when they rescue the dolphin that is stranded and choking on a plastic bag. We hope that from this experience, the user would develop empathy for wildlife and disapproval towards pollution, and ultimately becomes more pro-environment in the real world. Initially, our team members all agreed that we would love to use a subject that has a good side that people love, but a bad side that people neglect. This way, we can better change people's perspective and bring them transformation. After brainstorming and several concept iterations, we came up with the experience of marine conservation on a beach because while people love having a good day on the beach, the pollution and its consequences are often overlooked. We chose to display and focus on the harm pollution brought to the dolphins because the dolphins are a gentle species and adored by a large number of people. By using the beach and the dolphins as our main setting and main subject, we can target more audience and more efficiently achieve our project goal of evoking empathy and positive transformation. We started the project by making the beach and the ocean Unity. Some assets were collected from the Unity asset store such as the trees and the beach texture. Then, we created the rest of the objects we needed in Autodesk Maya. After having all the objects we needed, we started implementing interactions in the environment. We created animations for the dolphin in Autodesk Maya and wrote scripts in Visual Studios for the behaviors. Since we developed this project entirely remotely, we were unable to make a physical rig, but if we were to make one, we would put together a booth with a plywood base filled with sand. It would be placed in the middle of a metal stand provided by the SFU Surrey campus. The outside of the booth would be covered with a black cloth. Inside the booth, there would be 3 light bulbs suspended on 3 sides of the walls to simulate the brightness and warmth of the beach. There will also be a small projector to project a dolphin on the wall, and an office table and chair set, and a desktop computer set for the experience. Before the experience, the user will be greeted by our team outside of the booth, where we would explain that this experience is from the point of view of a marine conservationist on a polluted beach, as well as what they can do in this experience. When the user enters the booth, they will see what we have set up and get an idea of what the virtual environment would look like. The heat from the light bulbs and the sand beneath their feet will help resemble the feeling of being on the beach. Due to the technical limitation, we were not able to design this experience with a VR headset. Instead, we developed this experience with keyboard and mouse for navigation and interaction in the virtual environment. The user will use the WASD keys on the keyboard to move the avatar, along with the Shift key to make the avatar run. They will also be able to use the mouse to control the direction of the movement. We created a reticle in the center of the screen and used the Unity's raycast feature to create the interaction with the litter on the beach. When the reticle lands on a piece of garbage, the garbage will become highlighted in yellow, indicating that it is interactable. If the user clicks on the garbage using the mouse, the garbage will move towards the user and disappear to indicate that the garbage has been collected. After the experience, the user may feel sad about the harm pollution brings upon animals and feel a strong sense of responsibility towards reducing pollution. A piece of garbage such as a soda bottle would be intentionally placed outside of the booth to test the user's response after the experience. Our project mainly focuses on sensory immersion and imaginative immersion. Our physical rig is specially designed with props such as sand, light bulbs, and a projector to simulate our virtual beach environment. The booth can also help block out the physical inputs from the real world to a great extent. Along with the help of the sound design, the sensory inputs of the virtual environment will help the user achieve sensory immersion. As the user progresses in the experience, the appealing visuals, the realistic sounds, and the interaction with the garbage and the dolphins will keep the user deeply involved with the experience and help the user reach imaginative immersion. Accomplishing these two types of immersion can help us keep the user engaged and feel that they're present in our virtual environment. Although our team was not able to develop this experience with the head-mount display, we envisioned that if we used one, it would increase the immersiveness of our experience. We would design this experience to use the controllers that come with the head-mount display for the movement and interactions. The reticle in the center of the screen would also be removed. The head-mount display can block out the physical inputs better, and overall, it would be a more natural and immersive experience compared to using our current tools. That's it. We hope you enjoyed our experience. Thanks for watching.